Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing another Bloons Tower Defense Science video. And today, what should I do? Let's do the good old-fashioned Spike Factory. So, the Spike Factory, and let's get the Juggernaut. And then let's get another one over here. You get off the camera. Okay. And we're gonna be getting this guy to Spike Storm. And the Spike Factory is gonna have to verse the Monkey Village. Now the Monkey Village is pretty OP, so I'm not gonna put them out yet. So let's send in a single Moab. As you can see, it killed the Bloons. Now let's send out a BFB, and let's use this. And we should be able to destroy these. Yep, okay. So now, oh my god, it's time. It is, oh my god. Okay, here we go, guys. We used it. We destroyed those BFBs, and we are able to take some of the we took out one of the BFBs. Now we gotta get the other three. Can we take them out? Oh, the mobs are getting past. Ooh. Oh, nope. They cannot take all of it out. So, now. And now we are doing the Monkey Village.
I hear that the Monkey Village is really good, right?
Now the Monkey Village with the energy beacon, this is the only thing I can attack. It takes out a mob pretty fast, just watch it. As you can see, it took out the mob pretty fast, so.
Yes. If you guys really want, next time we can show you guys on the TV, maybe it'll be bigger.
I'm editing the video. Okay, so now a BFB. Okay, we took out that BFB. Now, I'm going to add one more Monkey Village. Just because, just in case. So I saw them. And now we're going to send out a Oh my god.
Oh my god. It says oh my god, it's supposed to be oh my god.
It says oh my god.
It's like
it can take out the oh my god, but can it take out
all
the
rest?
BFBs and the Moabs?
I don't think so. Maybe. Yep. They probably can't take
We
out
would
the
have been
Bloons.
dead right now, but we destroyed the BFBs and the Moabs.
We don't know for sure that
But
yet.
yeah, we do.
Yes, we do.
But everything else got through. So now we're not gonna end the video yet, but one more last thing.
Yeah, obviously this is gonna win. Everyone knows that.
What is gonna win?
Everything working together. Now we have everything working together. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna have for you guys today, and bye.